So this time we're looking at place value. So we need to recognize, identify the place value of digits and write numbers and words and vice versa. So we need to understand how the decimal system works. This is our decimal point. We were taught that there was called the column headings was ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions, billions, and so on and so forth. Notice that I have a color code for every three set of number. So that means that I have these represent numbers less than 1,000. When we get to 1,000, we start counting again. These are hundreds. These are in the thousands. These are in the millions. These are in the billions. So notice that when we start, we have one. There's another zero written after it, but we're actually multiplying by 10. So there's one zero, two zeros, three zeros, four zeros, five zeros, six zeros, seven, eight, nine. Notice that the power is also telling you how many zeros you should be looking for. So 10 to the power of 9 is a billion, a billion. 8 zeros, power is 8. 7 zeros, power is 7. Or and so on and so forth. So the way we would read this number is this. So if we look at this, we're reading the number in green. This is 123. We get to this number. If we're in the blue section, we have to say thousand. So this is 456,789. When we get into this tiny section, we have to say millions. 987,640, sorry, 654,321. And then of course, if you have billions, you call billion. So that's 1 billion. In this section now, we only have 40 million. In this section, we have 901,000. And then we have 600 in this group here, the ones group. And then this final number is 2,040,800,012. So that's how we would really read that number off by looking at it. Okay? So I think I've pretty much said what I need to say with this video. And if we have to write it in index form, we'd use these up here. But that'll come later when we do index numbers.